fuck me. Oh, wow. Guys, welcome back to today's episode. Okay, so kindly share the live, share TikTok actually removed my live access and it just came. So share the live, let's reach 40 people, then we start today's class, okay? Oh fuck me. What happened? Okay. All right. I'll call you when I'm done, okay? Guys, share the live. Let's hit 40 before we start the class, okay? Have you seen what God is doing? Guys, share the live, invite people that we are in, okay? So share the live, let them join so we can actually go into the thing today, okay? Oh, what's going on? Okay, so that was the call that came in. I didn't know. Okay, so guys, let's. How many people here? 11? Oh, only 11? Yeah, bro, what's up? What's up? Share the live, okay? 40 people before we start. More are still joining, yeah, so we will still wait. Who be you? Good evening, bro. We will still wait until we get 40 people on the call tonight, then we start, okay? So keep sharing. Sell what? This is H4 time frame and even having an evening star, a morning star, and you are talking about sell, bro. Gold is hitting 2300, 2320, 2360. Ha, gold is mad. It looks like the network is even slow today. $17 people. Hello, bro. What's up? Guys, keep sharing. Today, dear, you make. Bro, I wasn't late, but TikTok, I was sharing my screen of a video that I was watching, and they removed the live and suspended me for 20 minutes. That's why. Yeah, I'm good. I was watching some trading video and I was sharing, and then boom, they just ended the live and suspended it. So it just came. That's why. So guys, kindly share 30 people before we start today's activity. Okay, so share the live. Let's get 40 people on board. And if today is your first time joining, there is Telegram community where you can find in the bio, so you can join, okay? And you can see that gold is mad. Gold is mad today. Like, if you look at from here, 1988, 1985, when it started from 1985, it has no rest. It has been pushing till 2296. Okay, till 20. Somebody just contacted me, sent me a message on WhatsApp that he has been holding sell from 2190. I was like, hey, 2190, over 1,000 pips, and he's still holding. Yeah, every day since Monday it's creating new highs. Guys, keep share the live, share the live. If you don't hit 30 people, I'm not doing anything. No. Yeah, sometimes you also have to play a part. Okay. What are trading days? I am new. Trading days, Monday to Friday are trading days, bro. I am holding by. Okay, congratulations. Guys, keep sharing the live. 40 people before we start, and now we have only 11. Maybe I'll go and sleep because What's he waiting for? He's waiting for a reversal, bro. He's waiting for the market to sell off so that he can come to profit. I'm sure. Supply and demand. We're gonna handle supply and demand today, but less than 40 people. I will not do anything. So share the live. Let's hit 40. Then we can get started. I'm sure that's the topic most people have been waiting for. Demand and supply. So share the live. Let's get 40 people so that we can start. Okay. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. And if you haven't followed me, you can follow me now. Alright, so let me switch to the board. Demand and supply is the topic for today. And what do you know about demand and supply? It looks like the thing is lagging behind. Yeah, good evening, bro. We still have 20 people, 40 people before we go. Share the live, share the live, share the live. Post the link on your WhatsApp status everywhere. Okay. So as we are waiting for an additional 20 people before we start, what do you know about demand and supply when it comes to the concept of trading? What do you know about demand and supply in the concept of trading? What do you know about demand and supply in the concept of trading? Oh, I see. It's the same as support and resistance, really? Okay. Guys, what do you know about demand and supply? What do you know? La Paz, okay, support and resistance. Most annoying part is that I tried demand and supply on demo account and UAD is buying right now. Okay, that's good. Guys, keep sharing the live, else we're not starting. No, I need 40 people before we start. Look at the number 14. at least you also have to play a part in this activity. Okay, it shouldn't always be me teaching you. What are you also doing to support the life? And I told you guys gold is hitting 2300, right? Right now it's at 2298. So just 20 pips to hit 2300, a new milestone. Supply is the amount of assets available on the market, and demand is the quantity to buy. Okay. It's IC market advisor, but I have a problem linking MT4 and XNX, so I use Cortex. Yeah, you can use IC market. You can also check my bio. You can see I have BD Sways link there. You can use that one as well. Alright, so try that one out. Sammy, are you here? Oh, okay. Guys, keep sharing. At least 30, I will still attend the class, okay? Less than 30, I'm not coming to teach anything. Less than 30, we will not do anything. So, share the live. Let's get at least 30 people. If we can't get 40, at least we should get 30, okay? I don't know, you guys requested for this. Now you are running away, or is it that you are tired? If you are tired, let me go and sleep, because me, I'm tired past you people. Okay. I've been feeling sleepy all day, but I'm still here. I'm supposed to be sleeping, but here I am trying to teach. If you guys are not going to attend, then what's the point coming in here? You get the point. So $21 now. Yeah, we have 32. Okay, that's fine. So what is demand, what is supply?
Try this for a month. See how much it affects your life. You seriously do earn your money. The big get their pound of flesh.
Okay.
These guys, they've got lots to learn in a very short space of time. It'll be interesting over the next couple of days who actually has the confidence in themselves to take their trade idea and put the trades on. It is a baptism of fire.
Alright guys, so what is demand, what is supply?
For the first 2 weeks, the rookie traders have been given
I don't actually
each to play with.
know how I can explain
The market's open, and through brokers, they finally get their chance to trade the world's.
But according to what I know, and to the best of my knowledge, can you talk? How?
I say it's performance anxiety, which I need to get over. You know, my brain's all flowing like this shit. I'm thinking about it too much.
Antonio, what do you mean? I don't get it.
It's a big spotless video, man. You're confronted with like so much information and just generating that in your head and working it through. Because you can kind of justify anything to yourself and speak to someone else and that's your thinking. But ultimately it's going to be you who, will go and put that trade on and will kind of be measured on its success.
Alright, so guys, first of all, let's take the demand first, then we deal with supply. Okay, and when we talk about demand in the concept of trading, we simply refers to some areas, okay, areas where big boys take their orders. Okay, there are some areas in the market, or there are some levels in the market where the big boys, the hedge funds, the banks, the institutional traders, that is where they take their orders from. Okay, so if you know how to trade supply and demand, most of the time you go in with the big boys. Okay, most of the time you go in with the big boys, and if you try to go against this, if you try to go against them, then most of the times you will say, oh, my stop loss got hit and the market going in my favor, my stop loss got hit, and those kind of things. And someone said demand is also support and resistance. That is not true. Mostly demand will be seen under support. So if here is support, demand will be somewhere here.
He's gone right up to his maximum position size immediately.
Why? Because most of the time they liquidate support to activate demand. Okay, most of the time they liquidate support, people buying from support so that they can take more volumes, because before the market can push up strongly, they need more volumes to push the market, right? So, and you know that retail traders, most of us, we rely on this support and resistance, and they know. So you will see that there will be a support where the market will come and test, and everybody will be buying. Okay, buy now, buy now, buy now, buy now. But there will be a demand right here resting. So they will be like, okay, so we have plenty orders waiting here, right here. Let's take all of them out. So sometimes, especially on gold, you will see that it will just drop, and when it gets here, sharply, it will push to the upside. And those of you who were buying here, your stop losses will be hit, and the market will still go in your favor after hitting your stop loss. Okay, so if you know how to identify demand zones and supply zones, you will always get some good trades. Okay, and in the concept of demand and supply, we have it in 4 different forms or types. Okay, we have something like rally. So anytime you see rally, it means to the upside. Okay, and we have base. Base means consolidation.
Has always wanted to work in the city.
Fantastic, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
And drop.
Although she's determined to succeed, she finds the idea of selling
bearish.
short or profiting from the losses of others hard to stomach.
It doesn't seem hopeful that you can sit there as a trader and...
So this is 1, 2, 3. We use this rally, base, and drop in the concept of supply and demand, and I'm going to give you the 4 different forms or the 4 different types of demand and supply, so that you would know when to get when or where. If you see there is a supply or there is a demand, what kind of demand is it? And how are you going to tackle it? How are you going to trade it? Okay? And a normal circumstance, some people will say continuation. So let me list them for you. Let me list them for you.
I think it's an environment that I'd be really good in. It's fast-paced, which I thrive in. It's pressure-driven, again, which I thrive in. And I love the way that these huge macroeconomic issues impact on the
We have
this type of thing and how everything is interrelated. I just find it really, really interesting.
It's a global event that gives Cleo her first trade.
Let's go straight to our top story this morning. Investors reacting to mounting instability within the Middle East.
Obviously, has everybody here concerned both on a personal level as well as a collective business confidence level as the safer rattling goes forward?
A missile test in Iran causes Middle East instability, and as a result, oil prices begin to rise sharply. It spells bad news for heavy fuel consumers. Jumping into the market, Cleo's quick to short sell British Airways, betting their share price will fall as their profits get hit by rising oil prices. It's a good deal, but her caution is getting the better of her. She's only traded 200 shares, by far the smallest investment of the group.
You know, it's more, I wanted to just get through it. I know that sounds awful. And I know that's completely the wrong rationale. But I prefer to place one small little trade. This is the first time that I've ever devalued.
Okay, so these are the 4 different forms of demand and supply. This is the supply, and this is the demand. Okay, so I'm going to take them one by one, and I'll try to explain each of them, their formation, and how you can handle them. Okay, how you can trade them. Rally, base, rally, and I told you earlier that rally means bullish, base means consolidation, and drop means a push to the downside, right? So when you see rally base drop, what does it mean? I will later read all your comments, okay? Sometimes you see the market pushing, like, okay, the market will be in the upside direction like this, like a bullish run, and it will get to a level whereby it will consolidate, and then after the consolidation it will drop. So your demand zone will be at this side. And what you have to know is that for you to easily identify a supply zone, look into the market where you are going to see some sharp, strong candles. Okay, you realize that before that push to the upside, there will be some kind of a small candle or some consolidation candles before that push to the upside. Okay, when you see that, just draw a zone, wait for the market. So this is the rally.
After 3 days of trading,
here is the base, and this is the drop.
£200,000 currently at
okay,
disposal.
when the market comes back here, you still load buys and it will push up again. Okay, but you should be able to identify that candles, those consolidation candles here. Over here we call it accumulation. Okay, there has to be some accumulation before the push to the upside. Alright, so this is a rally based structure whereby the market will push to the upside, consolidates a little and drops, and then it will come back to that demand zone, activate and push to the upside. Okay, that is for rally.
Right.
Mine
so
too,
what
acting
was
up.
the closing price, please?
Simon shares have fallen so sharply, they've been sold on automatically.
11.58. Right. Okay.
Known as a stop loss, this is an order with a broker to close the trade if it loses too much money.
Mine too is acting like yesterday. I don't get you. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay. What if it breaks the demand? If it breaks the demand, it means that it has just failed. Okay. You know there is nothing like 100% strategy in this market. Okay. But when you spot a demand and it breaks, it breaks. That is why you don't have to just enter as soon as the market comes here. You should wait for a confirmation first. Okay? You wait to get a confirmation first. Sorry, before you make an entry. So whatever the zone is, when they comes to your zone or when they comes to your A point of interest, make sure you get the confirmation first, which is important. You can't just buy if you have experience. Okay? There are some zones when the market reaches there, I don't wait for confirmation, I just buy. Okay? There are some zones I don't wait. And there are zones I have backtested severally. I have seen them, know how they behave. Okay? But if you don't have such experience, you don't have to just buy as soon as the market reaches here. You just have to wait. Okay, now the market has come to my demand zone. What am I supposed to wait for? What am I supposed to see before I make an entry? So, over here, remember, when we were learning candlesticks, I told you, bear bullish engulfing on demand, tweezer bottom on demand, morning star on demand, and support. So those confirmations must be seen here as well. Sometimes it will just come here, especially gold. It will just tap into it and leave you a wick. Okay. Sometimes gold will just give you a wick. Especially last month, NFP. Do you guys know that the last month NFP came test gold demand before it pushed? Who saw that? That pushed down before gold flew. Who saw that there was a demand there? I'll try and see if I can see it. I'll show you. There was a demand which got activated before it starts pushing up. Okay.
I'm beginning to think I should maybe just grow a pair of Gale in there and then just work it as it goes. But it's just it's just like parachuting. It's taking that first step that's difficult. And then actually after that you're fine. Well, until we look for the red handle maybe. I don't want to have to be pulling any red handles. You've got to take risk to make money. Of course you can lose, but if you're not invested, you cannot make money. It might as well just be in the bank at only 5%. It's concerning because you cannot succeed in this business behaving like that. You'll never make money.
Okay, so guys, any question about that before we go to the next one? What if it breaks? So you mean we should be when the market starts to retest? Yeah. When you see that the zone, when you are able to identify your zone, the next thing to do is to wait for the market to test. Okay? You wait for the market to test the zone before you push it to the upside. Alright. So once it comes here, that is where you wait for your confirmation before you enter into the market. Alright. You wait for your confirmation before you go into the market. If you don't see the confirmations, don't enter because it can fail. But if you, like I said, if you have the experience, you have been in the industry for some time, you have been backtesting severally, and you know, anytime the market comes here, most of the time, it just leave with a wick. So sometimes you can even put pending order right here, whereby your stop loss is just below the demand. Okay? Then it will push up. So the next one.
And if they bail them out, we're talking hundreds of billions of dollars, right? And who ends up paying for it? The US consumer. I mean, to anyone who's been in the industry a long time, this is like proper scary stuff, you know? And the entire basis of the US economy.
Rally, base, rally. And this one too, it goes like this. The market will be in an uptrend, okay? To a point, it will consolidate. So this one is a continuation pattern, okay? A continuation pattern. And from here, there will be a sharp move to the upside. Then here will be your demand. So you wait for the market to come back here to activate this demand zone. You take your entry and push the market higher. So this is the rally based rally formation, whereby the rally and the base and another rally. Okay, so you wait at the base. Always your entry is at the base, okay, not the rallies. So you are able to identify your zone right here. You draw, you wait for the market to come back to the base, okay? Then you get your confirmations and you push the market to the upside. So this is zones of which we watch out to see how they will be played, okay? That is it. Any question about this?
Buying along into Bradford and Bingley, he hopes to see
what if it breaks? What if it breaks down? If it breaks down, it means this zone is not valid. Okay? If it breaks, the market gave you a demand here, you marked, the market came back later, and instead of it to respect the demand, it broke. It means it's not valid. That is why you are not supposed to enter as soon as it comes, but you wait for your confirmation before you push the market highs. Okay? You don't just enter because the market has come back to demand. No. You wait and see how it's going to be played out here before you push the market high. Okay? When we get to the charts, you will understand. I will show you multiple examples. Okay? So any question about this again?
Simon's decision to buy into the UK's largest buy-to-let mortgage program.
Can it be like a fake out before pushing to the downside or upside?
Unnoticed by Lex and Anton.
Clearly his mind's just in the wrong place.
Yeah, definitely it can. It also depends on how the zone is. But demand zones, if there is going to be kind of a liquidity grab, it happens though, but it doesn't happen much often as compared to support and resistance. Okay, before a zone will break, remember there will be some kind of another zone somewhere hidden. Maybe it may be hidden, which you cannot see. So if this one breaks like this and come activate this, it will push up again. And normally, if you respect here, you can see there is something here that made it went up like that. Definitely you are going to see that. Okay? Fair value gap. What about that? How can I detect the fair value gaps? I'm not teaching you fair value gaps, bro. Demand. I don't know. I'm not teaching you SMC demand. SMC demand, they look for the fair value gaps. I am not looking for fair value gaps. I don't trade fair value gaps. Okay? Yeah, I don't trade fair value gaps. So when I get to the chart, I will show you examples. And if you want to use fair value gaps, maybe you can. But you will still see what is going to happen. So I will show you some here very soon. Okay? So I don't use fair value gaps, bro. I'm not SMC trader, I'm a price action trader. Okay? So for you to be able to identify support, demand and supply easily, just look into the chart. And any zone or any area where you see some sharp moving candles, very, very strong, aggressive candles, okay? Before the move, you are going to spot some kind of consolidation right here before the sharp move. and you will see some small candles. You just draw a zone, okay? You will be able to detect your demand right there. So you wait. Anytime the market comes back there, it will still push up for you, okay? And the second one, it is pushing, then it consolidates and push again. What you have to do, you mark your zone, the market comes back there and push up again. If it fails, it fails. You wait for this one and you push again, okay? And if you are pushing from here, it has potential to break this and go higher. It has potential to respect, depending on how strong this one has become, okay? So that is it. Which time frame do you use for confirmation? It depends. It depends on how you trade your supply and demand. Me, myself, I use my confirmations 30 minutes. I don't use 15 minutes anymore. 15 minutes confirmations are stopped. So all my confirmations are based on 30 minutes time frames. Who's calling? 30 minutes time frames, okay? I don't use 15 minutes anymore. So it depends. If you're also if you are a swinger, you should be waiting for your confirmations in H4. Alright, H4. But I look at mine at 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, those ranges.
Sometimes I have to rein myself in because it forces you.
But sometimes it plays for a while in the zone before it drops or moves up.
Interesting things like that.
When the demand fails, it becomes supply. When the demand fails, it becomes supply. The answer is no.
Just looking at the opening prices on HBOS,
when the demand fails, does it become supply? To me, the answer is no.
A cash flow crisis for Britain's largest bank, HBOS, has forced them into a rights issue, which means going to their shareholders and asking for more money. Mike has calculated that the rights issue.
So these are the two types of demand I have for you. I know. So I will take you to the charts and show you more examples. Okay? I'll take you to the charts, show you more examples. Then you will appreciate demand and supply.
A potentially huge liability which could see their own share price fall. This trading strategy is known as hedging. It's the essence of how a hedge fund works. If he's right, he'll make more money on this deal than everyone's trades put together.
Okay, so if you look at this chart, let me clear everything. Okay, let me clear everything. Now, if you look at the charts clearly, let me take H1. Okay.
1419.
Look here.
Spot 25. That's right. Lovely. Nice doing business with you, mate. Thank you, mate. Cheers. Bye-bye. Well done.
Okay, you can see that there was a sharp move to the upside, right? Strong bullish candles. And before that sharp move, there is some small bullish candles, some small candles. Let me expand the chart so that you can see them clearly. Look here. Okay, so your demand zone is here.
Second week of trading, and as world markets become more unstable, the pressure to make money intensifies.
So just expand it. I'm sure you guys know I spoke about this zone, right? You remember I spoke about this zone. So what you have to do is to wait for the market to come back to that zone, and then it gives you a buy, okay, and you push up. Okay, so this is it. We have first demand, and first demand I'm showing you is here. Okay, before the sharp move to the upside, there was a consolidation state. After that, there was a push to the upside. So you mark that zone, you wait for the future and see what is going to happen right there. Okay?
So basically, we're going to.
First week quarter was fine. Second week,
For this hedge fund to be successful,
Another one, let's see if you can find more.
Failure to do so could result in their removal from the team.
Okay,
At the beginning, Cleo was
look here.
as someone with great trading potential. But after starting with immense self-belief, her confidence is collapsing.
You see this push to the upside, and before the push, look at how it's consolidated before pushing up. So you draw another zone right here and wait for the market to come back. As long as it wants to take, you will still wait for that zone. Okay? As long as it will take, you will still have to wait for the zone. How long do you think it will take to hit your zone? It doesn't matter, bro, anytime. Because now the market is still pushing up. So you look for earlier current zones. You look for current zones. And if I'm looking for current zone, I still have another one here.
Why didn't I just bloody buy it?
She's actually really scared.
Okay, I have another zone here.
Which is a little bit concerned. I think I might have to go and speak to her later.
I have another zone right here, waiting. And this time round, it tested the support, but not the demand. Some people also say the fair value gaps people, even this one, but I still didn't touch the fair value gap because the fair value gap 1, 2. Okay, so you touch the fair value gap here. So those people who use the fair value gap, they would have gotten this buy, okay, because it's just tapped at the top, the tip of the fair value gap, and it flew. Alright, but for me, this is the reason why I didn't call for any signal today, because I was waiting for this zone. Okay, I was waiting for this zone, and the market didn't come here. That's why I did not trade. Okay, I used 5 minutes to analyze. Is that okay? Oh yeah, as long as it helps, it works for you, that's okay. As long as it works for you, just do what works. Okay, do what works for you. Always do what works for you. Okay, so now we have, can you see this? This is first demand, then the market pushed down, pushed all the way here. It came back to create another demand here. So now, if you are waiting for another zone, you should be waiting here.
Now I feel pressure that I've really got to find
Okay.
trades to put on.
You should be waiting here.
You know what? It's good to have a bit of pressure.
A rally, base,
I don't feel
another rally.
necessarily
So you should be waiting for the market to come back here
put on trades,
and then
just sort
push
of
up again.
I'm
Okay,
just feeling like
but there is,
put on trades.
we are not talking about support and resistance, so I'm not going to talk about support and resistance. So according to what I have taught you guys today, these are the zones you should be waiting for in terms of demand and supply. Okay, so you wait, the market comes back to those zones, then you push it high.
In his third trade,
Okay.
Simon believed he was playing safe,
Yeah.
investing £3,000 in insurance company Royal Sun Alliance.
I've got an open position on RSA, which I'm getting a bit nervous about. It's had a terrible day. It's
Okay. So with the rally-based rally, this is also another example. You see that we have our first zone right here. Okay, we have our first zone right here where the market rallied to the upside, and then it consolidated right here, giving you another zone. Okay, so the second zone is here. This is the first, this is the second. All you have to do is to wait. Sometime in the future, the market will still come back to these zones. Okay, so these are your zones. I just joined. Could you briefly go over? Oh bro, can you imagine? I'm sorry, just listening to where we are, because you came late and we can't go back. Okay, yeah, so that is the rally and the base and another rally. So you wait for the market to come back to that zone, and then it gives you a nice trade. Okay, so 2087 to 2081, another push will occur when the market reaches there in the future. It's not going to happen anytime soon because right now the market is flying. Okay, but anytime the market goes for a reversal and reaches those levels, it will surely give you a good reward. Okay, so that is it.
In the space of a 2-minute phone call, Simon has cost the team £200.
Yeah, guys, any questions so far? Any questions so far about this?
Every deal he's made has lost money.
So it is very easy to identify them, but if you don't practice, it will be difficult for you to trade it. Okay, have you seen a market which goes up without coming down? Definitely it will. Let me take you back somewhere on monthly time frame and show you something. Eesh.
Went to sell a third of it.
What?
And ended up buying it. Right. And then he realised what he
Okay. So do you see this?
went to sell.
You can see that the market started from here. It pushed all the way to this side, 1890. And it pushed all the way down back to 1055. And from there, it pushed again, breaking the all-time high, okay, and went all the way to 2074, and it dropped back to 1682, went up again to 2059. It dropped all the way to 1612, and from then you have seen it pushing up. So definitely it will still retraces. Okay, the market will still retraces before another push to the downside, to the upside. Okay, bro, but if you are actually using this zone, your opportunity in the market is minimal. Bro, we are trading all-time highs, don't forget. Okay, we are trading all-time high when the market keeps giving bullish signals. Okay, so according to daily time frame, we have daily demand right here. According to daily, we have daily demand 2233 to 2220. That's the daily demand zone. Okay, that's the daily demand zone. Demand and supply is the best strategy you can even trade you can like use as a trader. Okay, and whenever they appear, they give you nice risk to reward. Right, they give you nice risk to reward. So you just wait. What you need is patience. If you don't have the patience to wait, you cannot make money as a trader. So you guys remember, today I didn't call for any trade, except the morning trade I took a loan without giving it to you guys. I didn't take any trade again, okay, because the market didn't give me what I wanted, so I also didn't trade. Okay, so if you are looking out to trade anytime, you can also go into the lower time frames and spot lower time frame support and demand and supply. So if we come to 30 minutes demand and supply, we have our first zone. This is our first zone, 30 minutes. The next 30 minutes based rally, we have another zone right here. Watch out and see what will happen when the market comes there. Okay, you see that? Yeah, so this is our first buy, this is our second buy. Okay, yeah, so watch out. 2287, 2285. When the market comes back to that level, observe and see what is going to happen there. Okay, observe out and see what is going to happen. When it comes back to this level too, observe and see what is going to happen. All right, how do you trade news? Trading news, I just trade, bro. If I read the fundamentals, the data, and see what is happening. Then I add the technical analysis to it and I make a trading decision. It's as simple as that, bro. Guys, any questions so far? Any question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Go and go to the bio and scroll down to PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram channel. You join so that any trade we call, you get access to it. Okay?
Hello, Luke, it's Mike. HBOS, sell 1419 at put in for 267 spot 25 if you can do it. Okay, ALV.de buyer.
Where do you think the next buy zone is? I don't think, bro. I don't think. When I come into the market, I don't think. I only see. Okay, I only see. I don't think. So I see the next buy zone being around 28, 22.88, 22.85. Those zone. That is the next buy zone I see. So wait. Okay. Why didn't it hit your demand? It just didn't. So I didn't force it. It just didn't hit, bro. So I'm still waiting, and I'll keep waiting as long as it comes. If it doesn't come there, I have no business. And that is why I trade support and resistance, supply and demand. So if I don't see demand and I see support, I will take it. If I don't see supply and I see resistance and it goes in line with my confluences, I take it. Okay? So I don't trade only supply and demand. Instead, I trade support and resistance as well. Bro, traders are too patient. Impatience, you mean? If you want to make money, you should learn to be patient. It's as simple as that. Okay? If you want to make money, you should be patient. If you are not patient, it's going to be difficult for you to make money.
With market confidence in the banking sector at an all-time low.
Waiting hours for confirmation. Oh yeah, you have to. If you know what you are doing, you have to wait. Okay? You have to wait. So please, do you use the PiP to analyze? Oh yeah, I use. So if I'm to use PiP here, this is it, what I'm going to get. Okay, so the zone I'm waiting for right now is at the 50%. Okay, at the 50% retracement level, then the market can push up. But how did you grow that patient heart? Constant practice, bro. I was also entering, exiting, can't wait and all that. But after multiple failures, you have to learn it the hard way. Okay? After you fail multiple times, you will have no other option than to learn it the hard way. So we got to a point I had to learn the very hard way. And these days, if the market doesn't come to my zone, I will not chase it. I'll wait. Okay? I will wait for it to come before I will trade. If it doesn't come, I will say bye-bye to him. If it comes, then I trade.
For the novice traders, it's the worst news possible. The figures are better than expected. The markets immediately rally and share prices rise across the board. This morning's short selling.
I was taught that demand and supply is the last sell candle before the buy, or the last buy candle before sell. Exactly, that is how some people also learn it. But we have different mentors and different teachers. Alright, so this is the way I learned it, and it works for me. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so you also go and backtest, watch and see if it works for you. Just use what works for you. Even trying to give up, but I'm happy to find you, bro. You don't have to give up. Just keep going. Okay? As long as you don't give up, you will win one day. I lost $500. I thought God is not answering my prayers. Oh, $500 is just chicken change, bro. I lost $3,000 when I started.
And so far, they've only lost.
God bless you for the good work. I mean, bro. Yeah, so guys, any question? Any question? Any question? Hey, I'm here on time. The live would have ended without me seeing. Can you imagine? Guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You can join, okay? Not all traders give some of their time to do what you are doing. You're welcome, bro. But it's a huge in cities. Almost. I know. But I'm not saying it's no money. But for you to say you are giving up, I understand very well, because in Ghana here, now today, exactly today, $1 is 13 cedis, 45 pesos. Right. 13 cedis, 45 pesos. It's money. So even $10 is 130 cedis. Yeah, 134 cedis. Alright, it's money. I understand. But it's not going to if you quit, a time will come where you are going to meet the people you started with, and you will see where they are. Okay? You will see where they are, and you realize that you should. You're like, you hadn't given up. If you had not given up, you would have been somewhere as them. Okay? So don't give up no matter what is happening. Just keep trusting the process. One thing about we traders and beginners is that, let me stand here so that you guys can see me clearly. One thing about us, okay, is that when we start trading, we actually want to make money within a shortest possible time. Okay, we want to make money within a shortest possible time, so that we can also prove to some people that we have made it. So even where you are not supposed to enter, look at this shit here. A lot of people will be selling now. Okay, I'm sure some people are here who are selling this now. Some people are selling. What are you seeing? Just because you are seeing a bearish candle, some people are selling. We are waiting here, but some people are selling. Okay, somebody will say, okay, then if you are waiting here, it means it is coming. So why shouldn't I sell? Instead of you to get the patience, you will not. You will just enter sell, and you will see that it will go and hit 2300 or even 2310 before selling, and you realize that you have put yourself in a deep shit. Okay, so that is exactly what we are doing, and that is why we are not making money. You have to exercise enough patience. Okay, forget about making money. That was one advice I got from a friend, a very good friend of mine, and that is actually what turned me into who I am today. Because those days, I started as a full-time trader right from day one. Okay, so 25th July 2022 was the day I started Forex. Was the day I started my first course from Lesiba Mutubi, the South African guy. From that time till today, I have been a full-time trader, a full-time learner. Okay, I haven't done any work. All my businesses are still on hold till now. It is now that I want to go back into business, to invest some money in there and see how it's going to go. All right. So from that time till now, I have been a full-time learner, a full-time trader to date. Imagine if you are in Ghana, you know what I'm talking about. Even those people who are working, crying, they are suffering. How much more you are not working? You are just in the house reading this thing. How how are you going to survive? So I needed to make money as soon as possible. I ended up losing everything. At that time, I wanted to travel, so I went home and they sold some family land for me to use the money to travel abroad. And I came here. Oh, Charlie, if I can make money in Forex, why don't I invest the money? So I deposit $200. It go waste. I give to somebody to manage. They blow it. By the time I realized, all the $3,000 was gone. Okay, yeah, but I didn't give up. All right, I didn't give up. So it got to a point. A friend of mine, I was saying, he said, "Bro, forget about making money. Yes, you need money, because there were days I hardly get food to eat." I called him, "Bro, Charlie, this Friday, dear, my shit, I'm hot. Can you send me $10? I said, "Sorry, bro, I have exceeded my limit. I can't help." What am I going to eat? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, so I needed money. But he said, forget about making money and go through the process. The results will come. If you keep chasing money, I need money, the market will humble you all the time. The market will humble you. He will not spare you because he doesn't even know you. Okay? So it got to a point I had to listen to that advice the hard way. And that was all. Okay? That was all. So if you really want to make money, forget about making money. That's a fact. Okay? Forget about the idea, I need money, Charlie. I need money to solve my family problems. My water bill, my light bill, my rent, my this, my that. Bro! Ha! The market will humble you. Okay? I traded demo for 2 years. Why 3 years? Just asking if it's advisable. Thanks for your courage. You have to blend both demo and life. Please teach us ICT silver bullet. I don't trade ICT, bro. I don't even know what it is. But bro, some of us are debtors. How can we stop working and concentrate on learning trade advice? Bro, me, I just want to do something different and quit my job. Yes, I also lost 110k last year December from someone who was managing my accounts. Yeah. Let me answer this question. I'm not saying you should quit your job. What I did, if you choose, or if you take 100 traders, maybe one can do what I did. Quitting my job right from day one to learn Forex. I didn't know anything. So right from day one, I said, all my business should be on hold. I'm going to learn Forex. I'll come back later and continue. And I quit. Everything has been on hold till now. You can't do that. I'm not saying you should do that. But forget about I need to make money from Forex. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay? Forget about I need to make money from Forex now. Charlie, this trade, let me go in. I need to make some money. Man, this Friday I have some funerals to attend. Friday I have this. My wife is coming. This is happening. So I need money. That urgency, okay? The urgency of needing money in this market is what I am talking about. I'm not saying you shouldn't work. No, that's not what I'm saying. Because you might not survive what I survived. Okay? So I'm not saying you should do what I did. But forget about trying to make money here. Okay? Focus on learning. Just learn every day. Practice. A time will come, money will just come to you. Okay? Money will just come to you. You will not go and chase money again. Money will start chasing you when you are patient, when you have the skills, when you have the knowledge. Money will chase you. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay? Bro, I just wanted to do something different and quit my job. That is if you are going to be okay. Because don't think that you want to make money within 5 months or 6 months in Forex. Okay? You are quitting your job so that you can learn Forex, and within 3, 5, 6 months you start making money. Then don't quit your job. It's not going to work. Okay? This morning someone asked me, so bro, if I learn Forex from you, how long would it take me to learn? And I told him, I can use 3 months to teach you everything you need to know about Forex. Then you will have the remaining months to go and practice. That is how it goes. So if somebody teaches you and you don't practice what you've been taught, there is no way you can perfect it. Okay? Because learning is just like you are in school and you are a science student and you are reading practical books without you doing the practical aspects with your hands. When you go to the exams room and you are asked to pipette something or prepare a solution, you will remember what you learned in the book, but how are you going to do it? Because you haven't done it before. Even how to adjust the burette, how to do this, how to do that, you don't even know. How can you do it? You get to the point, even though you've learned it. So over here you learn. After learning, you practice what you learned. That is what is going to make you who you want to be. Okay? No practice, no money. That's a fact. I want to learn more. Okay? Can you drop a full course on your Telegram group for us to learn for free? Let me show you something. Road to Profitability Library. Yeah. So this is it. Okay, this is my Telegram, the library I have for the advanced students. That's the Road to Profitability Library. And recently 28 people are having access to the library. And the live we have been doing, I've posted the recordings in there for them already. But I have the full course. Okay? Yeah, I have the full course right here. From beginners class to advanced class. Live sessions. Everything. I have them right here. But I beg you, I paid a lot of money to gain knowledge, and I can't give everything to you for free. So you can benefit from what I'm doing now, but for you to get everything for free, it's not going to work. Okay, so focus more on learning and the results will come. Okay, that's emotional in trading. Yeah. What should you keep in mind when it comes to all-time highs? At that point, what you can do is to use psychological levels. Okay, that is why I said 2300 is a strong psychological level. So when the market reach there, watch out and see what is going to happen. 2310, 2320, 2330, 40, 50. All those are psychological levels, but 2300 is a strong psychological level. How much for it? What should you... Okay, I've read it already. Yeah. So guys, if you really want to make money, forget about I need money. I advise a guy. John, are you here? If you are here, let me know. Let me see you. I'm going to talk about you, so show yourself if you are here before I talk about you. I told this guy that he was trading Kortana 10K account, and I kept telling him, bro, forget about making money. Okay, forget about your family problems. When you come into the market, forget about the family problems, the people you need money to sort. Forget about all those things and just focus. if all those things you are using it to burden the account, you are having $100 account and you have to pay rent of, let's say, $300 or $400. Your children's school fees is there, your electricity bill, your this. So average, you need like $700 to solve your problem, and you have $100 account, and you want to make money from the $100 account to sort all these problems. What do you think will happen? At the end of the day, you will lose the $100 account. Okay? You will lose the $100 account because the burden on the account is too much for it to bear. So at the end of the day, you are going to lose it. Okay? Please, did you learn from one place or mentor? I have learned from 5 different mentors in 1 year. Jeffrey Benson, Letsi Bamutubi, Abdullah Rashid, and another 2 guys on Telegram. They don't have that big names you see around. 2 guys. So 5 different people in a period of 1 year. Okay? I've lost so much money. Yeah. If you go into this market with that kind of mindset, how much is your Telegram course? Oh, it's a mentorship. Then you have access to that. Okay? And my mentorship is $150, but I will start admitting students after I'm done with this month, the live class I do here. Okay? Recently, all the students, all the 28 people you see there, they have done. I handled them from last year October till this year February, so they are done, but they are still in the library. Anything I post, they have access to it, but I'm no longer mentoring them. You get it? Yeah. If you still want to be part, I will let you be in, but I will teach you as a student after I'm done with these lessons. Okay, but you can still have access to the courses. You get to the point? Yeah. But the market has humbled me now. Is that you, John? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you will definitely make it too. But as much as you keep on going through the same old process which is not helping you, you cannot get a different result. That is one thing. Okay? For you to get a different result, you have to do something different. So the things you have been doing which didn't help you, and you are still doing it expecting a new result, it will not happen. You are still going to get those same old results. Blowing account. You take $5 profit and you close $50 loss. You take $10 profit, you close $80 loss. You are still going to get the same results over and over and over again until you start making a change. Okay? If not, you are still going to have the same results. How can I get your signal group? Kindly. Oh, but these days I share signals every day on Telegram. Just go to the Telegram community and just join. Okay? All the signals I share with the VIP, I share with the general community as well. This month, everybody is eating, just eating. From last month, this month, all the signals I give to the VIP, I share with the general community. So you can join the general community and all the signals will come to you. Okay? Oh, what did you say I ignored? Okay, you can leave then. Did I ignore you? What did you say? I'm not seeing, bro. How can I get your signals? Okay, I've answered you. All you've been saying is absolutely truth. Trading takes time. Oh yeah. Oh, if somebody wants to leave, let him go, bro. Okay? So guys, you have to go through the process. Like, if you don't want to spend time to learn this, you will spend time regretting. Sammy, are you here? I remember when I get the Lesiba calls, I called one of my guys. He's on live listening now. That's why I'm talking, and he will comment for you guys to see. I called him here and I was like, Sammy, this is what I'm doing now. So this is the course. Bring a pen drive. He brought the pen drive and I copied because I downloaded them. Okay, I had access to this, so I downloaded everything and I copied all I gave to him. At that time, he was more interested in teaching, so he didn't take anything serious. Okay, he left it. Even there was a time when I asked him for some money because I was broke. I wanted him to give me like 50 cedis. This guy said, "Charlie, go and look for a job." He said, "Go and look for a job." And I told him, a day will come, you will quit your job to learn Forex. And guess what he said? He's the one commenting now. He said it will never happen. But ask him what is happening now and he will tell you. Okay? So, if you don't want to spend time to learn Forex, a time will come. You will meet somebody who you started with and you will regret it bad. Like you should have done it earlier. Now, he wish that he had learned it earlier when I asked him to do. And he doesn't even sleep. Okay? Why? Because he has seen that it is helping me now. Me that I was asking him for 50 Ghana and he said I should go and look for a job, Today, I will close the day and I have made $300, $400, just like that. And he is still teaching, now he wants to quit his job and study Forex full time. Okay? So, I will advise you all, 49 people here right now, I will advise you guys, take Forex serious. Okay? But as you are taking it serious, take the learning part more serious than the money part. Because once you get the knowledge, the money will start following you. Okay? Once you get the knowledge, money will start following you. If you focus on money, the market will chase you and take what you have. But if you focus on knowledge, money will chase you. So choose your choice. Which one do you want to follow? Do you want to chase money or you want money to chase you? The choice is yours. I'm getting the path every day by your sessions. Congratulations, bro. Keep it up and you are going to be good. Okay? So guys, if you have any question, you can ask. If there is no question, we are not going to learn the supply today. We will handle that one tomorrow. Okay? So go home. As you are going, go over this particular session. I will download the video from TikTok and I'll upload it on the main community. Today's session alone. Don't ask for the previous ones because I have posted it somewhere. I'm not going to share. Do you have YouTube channel? Yeah, you can get it in the channel as well. Good evening, bro. My YouTube channel, Instagram, everywhere. Just go here. Okay? Just click here and click here. Good. So you see the link, click on this link. And you are going to see all my handles. So the first one is my XNext link. The second one is Kortana link. The third one is BD Swiss. That one is also a broker. The fourth one is the Instagram. You see YouTube also. And the PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram. So if you are here and you haven't joined the Telegram, this is the Telegram channel. You just click on it. And then, boom, it will take you to Telegram. Okay. Yeah. So this is the Telegram community. And as you can see, we enjoy trades. Okay. We enjoy trades every single day. We enjoy trades. So guys, you can join. You can follow me on YouTube. Every morning I post market outlook to let you guys know what we are expecting during the day on gold. Not all the pairs, but on gold. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, join so that you get the links to follow me on YouTube or subscribe to the YouTube channel so that I can get all the videos. Okay, more contents are coming up soon. Which strategy are you using? I trade price action alone. Price action, pure price action. How can I start learning? If you haven't learned forex before, you want to start, you can still have a chance. Just go to Telegram and message me. I will take you through the beginner classes. Okay, I'm even planning on organizing free beginner classes. Maybe after this session, I will organize only for beginners, only for people who knows nothing about forex. Okay, let's say 1 week. Then after that, I leave them to go find their mentors. If they want me to mentor them, I do. If not, they go elsewhere and look for mentors. Okay. Oh, okay. So congratulations if you are in. You'll get everything I share. Okay. So guys, any other question? Any other question? Any other question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. And if you haven't followed me, you can follow me as well. Any question? So for gold, don't sell gold. Okay? For gold, don't sell gold. Please, are you here to teach the supply? Yeah, that will be tomorrow. Okay, I will teach supply tomorrow, so don't be late for tomorrow. I will teach supply tomorrow. Okay, yeah. You were to tell us more about Kortana rules and regulations. I have. I thought, are you? No, you are not part. You are not part. I think I have done that already. I did the class with the 1% gangs, and I did it. Where is it? Okay, yeah. So that's the video. Okay, all the rules about Kortana, how to trade without they violating your account or for you violating your account. I did a class with them, so that is it. Okay. Yeah, I did. I trade price action. Bro, I trade only price action. I'm not an SMC trader. I'm not an ICT trader. I'm not BMM trader. I trade just price action. Okay? I trade just price action. Alright guys, so if there is no other question, then I think I can go and rest. Right? Can go and rest. So for tomorrow, we should expect the market dropping back here or here, then we will take a buy. Okay, how can I get the video? Which of them? All the videos I'm supposed to, you are not part of that class, so you don't have access to the videos. Please show us some differences between support and resistance and supply and demand. They look same. Alright, that will be tomorrow. Okay, what will happen if the candle hits the 2223? There will be a rejection. Okay, at that level, I think 20 pips more to hit that level. There will be a rejection, but definitely it can also go up a little before it rejects somehow. 2304, 2305 or something, then it drops. Okay, so wait until you see a sell confirmation. Now look at here, it has formed a support here. It has gotten broken by this candle. Another support has gotten broken by this candle. So don't look for a sell now, because sell is not going to hold right now. It's going to take time. Okay, now you can see that all support resistance has been, I was saying resistance, it was resistance, it has been broken by this candle, another resistance, this candle too has broken it. So now this is a support, this is a support. Okay, so don't look for a sell now, don't look for a sell now, wait, it can still go up a little when you see a sell confirmation. And if you are selling to these levels, this, and then eventually this is a major support. Now this market here is a major support, here is also another demand, a demand zone, a demand, a support. This is a demand, okay, that's the rally base rally, and it's also acting as support. Okay, yeah, so that's a major zone. When the market comes there, you can still look for a buy. So just wait and see. Okay, you are too good, bro. I just try my best. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, I think at this point I can go and rest. So if there is no other question, thank you for joining today's session. And guys, please, when you come on live, I beg you, try and share. Okay, if we are having like 100, 200 attendees, you see, it will even ginger me to teach more and do more. Okay, so when you come live, try and share. You can copy the link, post on your WhatsApp, free forex class. You can join. You give it a nice caption and people will follow and join. Okay, don't just be here trying to learn everything without you letting people join some. All right, so from tomorrow, try as much as possible, copy the link and share. Okay, someone said one last question. I'm waiting. Why did these people do this shit? You said when demand fails, doesn't become supply. Why? It doesn't become supply because look here. Okay, look at this zone. So if it breaks this level, what makes it a supply? What makes it a supply? Is it because of that candle? For a supply to be formed, yes, you are supposed to see aggressive candles just like this. Okay, you are supposed to see. So we have, yes, we have a supply here, but if you are looking at this at the top here, right here, this, let me show you something. You see that this level has already been broken, right? So if it breaks to the downside, then this level can become a supply, but that previous level at the top here where we are waiting for the demand, it will be a resistance. Okay, will be a resistance. Automatically it cannot turn to supply. That's how I can explain for you. I don't know if it makes sense, but I think that is how I can explain. You can still do more research about it, okay? You can do more research about it. Maybe you might get better explanations than mine. Alright, you can get better explanation than mine. So, guys, on this note, that's the end for today's class. And have a good night. If you want to reach out to me, just go to Telegram and chat me, okay? You can also get my WhatsApp number if you want us to do chat on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on my profile. Just click on the call symbol and you get my number. You save, you chat me, we will talk, okay?
This is Lex Van Dam, a man who's about to make the biggest gamble of his life.
Yeah, so guys, have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good night.
Successful city traders.
want to take people who have no previous trading experience and teach them how to trade. I want to give them all the tools that I think are necessary to do this. Then I will give them some of my money and I will make sure that they make some more money.
A top fund manager. He's going to set up the world's first hedge fund, staffed only by complete beginners.
You're welcome, bro. So guys, good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
With some training, guidance, and the promise of each being rewarded with a city-sized bonus at the end, they're all hoping for success.
If they make money,